excited, Tom?
I love it.
What a great setup Bijorn has. Lovely shop in Stockholm. We all met up there. Then Tom and I and Bijorn jumped in the van, drove up here. A couple of ferries later, we're in this stunning, stunning forest. Everyone's pumped up on the edge of the water, on the grass, and they've all gone out in beautiful shallow water and with great wind. So I'm super stoked, super excited, and yeah, it's just so different, and Sweden's beautiful. It's so lovely, so lovely.
What do you think of where we are?
It's really nice.
So what do I have to do? You get outside. You've got to go out there and place up around 20,000 islands. 20,000 islands all around Sweden. That's amazing. Out on the archipelago! Oh my god! I always forget how good it feels to be on a kite! My goodness, how much fun! Oh, loving it! Look at this, what a view! How was your session?
It was wonderful, beautiful, yeah, beautiful day.
And do you guys promise that every session in Sweden is like this?
It's always like this, or a little bit better.
I've been thrown around, I've crashed, but I actually got up on the board a few times.
Really?
Tom is such an amazing instructor, so I was just like, he was just encouraging me, saying I'm the best student ever. Not really.
I think you're right. How was Matthias on the water today? It was epic.
I survived. That's the main key.
It's a great little spot, isn't it? Only fun or lots of fun?
Lots of fun.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Is every day like this?
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's beautiful conditions you have here. Huh?
Yeah.
It's, the water was so warm, beautiful wind, perfect for learning. Huh?
Yeah.
Don't come to Sweden. It's really horrible. There's sharks and all sorts of monsters, and it's really big waves, deep water. It's just terrible.